You would have to conclude that the ruminations, the thought experiment, or more precisely what we call dicta, the non-binding things that Supreme Court justices say in an opinion, in a ruling, they should win the day. We should view those as sort of squarely addressing all issues concerning whether an insurrectionist can be sworn in, and we should just accept the Supreme Court issuing that dicta, that thought experiment, those ruminations about how, well, if Congress didn't pass a law, then the automatic disqualification of the 14th Amendment somehow evaporates. Somehow we ignore the express language of the 14th Amendment, Section 3, because gosh darn it, Congress just didn't do its job and pass implementing legislation. So if members of Congress who are sitting there wondering if they should affirm Electoral College votes for Donald Trump, address this question sort of honestly and intellectually, they could certainly say, I believe this is a matter for Congress, and I'm going to exercise my independent judgment, and I'm going to say I am not permitted by my oath of office to certify electoral votes for an insurrectionist, even though I absolutely acknowledge the Supreme Court dicta, the ruminations, the thought experiment, because that wasn't the issue to be resolved in the case that was decided by the Supreme Court regarding the Colorado court's rulings. These are difficult issues, thorny issues, both legally and ethically. And I think each member of Congress is going to have to make the decision for themselves. What I would like to see, Brian, I would like to see them simply call for a vote on whether they want to vote in favor of removing the disqualification and see if they can get to the 2/3.